How to delete a folder that cannot be deleted. Click the Start button. Click Power button. Hold down Shift and click Restart. Release Shift when the blue screen appears. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press the Safe Mode F4 key. Open File Explorer. Locate the folder you want to delete. Select the folder. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. If you're still unable to delete the selected files, you may need to repair your PC's hard drive before attempting to delete the files again. Open File Explorer. Click this PC. Right-click your computer's hard drive. Click Properties. Click the Tools tab. Click Check. Click Scan Drive when prompted. This can take several minutes to several hours depending on your selected hard drive size and number of errors. Try deleting your folder again.